AI Smart Cut, I can delete 2 silent sections and 5 filler words with just one click. You have followed my channel for some time, you know that I mainly do software walkthroughs and screen recording videos. They may seem to be somewhat easy and fast to do, however the reality is it takes quite a lot of time to do that, and mainly it's because of editing that video to make it interesting for viewers. I can keep it simple and just do a basic screen recording without annotations, without any zoom ins, but then if you are the viewer, you will find it harder to follow because you won't be able to see which are the points where I'm clicking and which are the things that I'm talking about. I'm going to show you how you can avoid all those and save a ton of time by using this all-in-one tool called FocuSee that does screen recording. It can even record your mobile phone as well, and it also does AI editing so that it removes a lot of those ers and without you wasting too much time. So let's dive in. Now when you launch FocuSee, you will see something like this. You can record your screen custom window device. So if you click on device, you can actually record an Android or your Apple phone as well. And you also can record your webcam as well. There's also a teleprompter that you can use if you want to use it, but we are not going to cover that. I'm just going to do a basic screen recording. Let's say I want to teach somebody how to use Claude. Here is a box where you can type in what you want to ask it. Show me how to make a tutorial video, right? So you can just hit on enter and ask Claude. Here there's some options with Claude. You can choose Opus 4.8 or you can choose Sonnet. If you're trying Claude for free, then you just use Sonnet or Haiku. Now you can change the effort, means whether you want Claude to take longer time to think about your task or you want something faster, so you can change that. So I'm going to stop this recording. FocuSee will actually start analyzing that video. So this is the editing screen. Okay, let's pause it. So you have a choice of choosing the canvas, original, and etc. The important thing to take a look at is this part here, where you see when I move my cursor. Now, this recording, I haven't done anything, but FocuSee has already created a zoom in for me. Let's move on to this part here. You notice when I come to here, FocuSee will have a zoom in as well, right? So all these zoom are created automatically in FocuSee. And the good thing about this type of zoom is you can adjust this. If I feel that this zoom is too fast, I can reduce the zoom level so that people who are watching your video can follow along. Beside that, if you want something more fancy, you can make a 3D motion zoom as well. So this is how it will look like. Let's say this is the 3D zoom and you want it to be more subtle, you can do that. Or you can also make it, personalize it to zoom in a certain angle, right? So you can do all that. So cool. In most screen recording software, once you recorded it, you can't change it. But with FocuSee, you can change your cursor, right, to something that you like. Maybe you want something more fancy, or perhaps you notice that your background was a certain color and it's not so noticeable. So you can change it. You can have spotlight. You can change the color of spotlight. You can change the size as well, right, depending on the tutorial that you make. So if you have decided on the spotlight, then every cursor will be there, but you can change it to whatever that you like. You don't have to worry so much about your mouse movement. So FocuSee automatically does it for you. So if you want it to move slower, you can also adjust it over here, like the animation. Right? For example, I prefer my cursor to be slow so that people can follow, because my audience is a little bit towards the older age. For your audience, you can choose whichever you prefer. If you want to add any annotations, if you have said something wrong, you want to add an annotation, you can do this simply. Just say, okay, let's put an annotation here, and you can enter text. Now, if you have done video recording, you know that there will definitely be some mistakes, unless you are a professional, right? And even professional makes mistakes. You can get FocuSee to do smart cut. You just select the language if you want to. If you want to, you just leave it on auto and start language recognition. So what FocuSee does, it will look through the entire video tutorial and it will split it up so that you can remove areas where there are mistakes. I can ask FocuSee to delete all these 2 silence segments and 5 filter words segments, right? So it will cut it all off immediately for me. Of course, if there is any mistake, I can always put it back in. And once you are done, you can just export this video. Now, if you want to have your captions, you can have it. If you choose not to have the captions, you can turn it off. All this is done so easily in the all-in-one software. And if you want to make any changes as well, you can still make some cuts and trims as you like. So let's say we're just going to export this and press export. Demo. I'm just going to leave it at 1080p. As you can see, the export is pretty fast. If you're still importing raw screen captures into editors like Filmora or Shortcut just to add zooms and transitions, FocuSee is an automated alternative for you to try. If you want to skip the editing grind and instantly create professional looking product walkthroughs and screen captures, FocuSee is a perfect solution. Check out the links in the description and try it out for yourself. If you have learned something new, do give it a thumbs up and check out what's on the screen for other software related to this.